Hey everyone, welcome back to our show, Tech, Fit, and Mind. Today, we've got Jason Kreger joining us. He's the CAD Systems Manager for Autodesk products over at Lochmueller Group, and he's been at the intersection of civil engineering and digital design for nearly 25 years. Jason, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me. Glad to be here.
Let's kick things off simple. What's your name, your role, and where do you work?
I'm Jason Kreger. I work at Lochmueller Group as the CAD Systems Manager focused on Autodesk products.
Nice. And in that role, what does a typical day look like for you?
Well, I don't think I've ever had a typical day. Most days involve putting out at least one fire, jumping into a big initiative or two, and helping out with several smaller tasks. And then, of course, there's a healthy dose of meetings scattered throughout the day.
That definitely sounds like the CAD equivalent of herding cats. Let's rewind a bit. What first sparked your interest in this field? What led you to architecture, engineering, or construction?
It really started back when I was a teenager. I had a strong interest in hand drafting and CAD early on. Then in high school, I got a chance to work as a survey technician. That experience was the gateway into what eventually became a career in surveying and civil engineering technology.
Love that. From sketching to civil tech, very full circle. Now, you've been in the game for nearly 25 years. What's one major shift you've seen since you started?
The biggest change, hands down, is how interconnected all the technology has become. When I started, every system felt like an island. You had to manually move data between tools, and that took time. Now, everything's a lot more streamlined. And hey, even the monitors are easier on the eyes now.
Yeah, I love some good screen resolution. What would you say is the most rewarding part of your job today?
Honestly, it's those moments when you automate a task for someone and they get genuinely excited. That spark, seeing how it changes their day, is what keeps me motivated. And when those solutions scale across the entire organization, that's really rewarding.
That's the good stuff. So what or who inspired you to stick with the AEC industry over the long haul?
It's been all the people I've worked with over the years. Every colleague, every team I've been a part of, they've made this a great industry to work in. There's always opportunity and change, but it's the kind of change that energizes rather than overwhelms.
Let's talk tech. What's one tool that's made a huge impact on team collaboration for you?
Autodesk Construction Cloud has been a big one. I recently worked with a team designing utility-scale renewable energy projects, and ACC helped us bring together people from all over the country. It made sharing data seamless and really supported the collaboration we needed.
That sounds powerful. Was there a moment when a tech solution really saved the day, or at least saved you a lot of time?
Definitely. We used Dynamo to automate parts of the staging plan process for solar fields. We focused on repetitive formulaic tasks, and once automated, we estimated about a 40% reduction in time spent. That was a big win.
That's a serious efficiency gain. Now, switching gears, how do you stay physically and mentally fit to handle everything on your plate?
Twice a week, I get to the gym. It's mostly cardio and some light weights. It's not a daily thing, but it really helps reset my head. It puts me in a different mindset from work.
That mental reset is so important. Do you have any other go-to ways to unwind?
Yeah, when the weather's nice, my family and I take walks after work. There's a park near our house with some great trails, and we get out there for about 30 to 45 minutes. It helps us reconnect, and the dog loves it too.
It's amazing what a walk can do for your day. When it comes to staying organized during the chaos, is there a tool or practice that helps you stay focused?
For years, I've relied on Trello or Microsoft Planner. They're the hub for all my tasks, daily, weekly, you name it. And they're also great when my boss wants to know what I've been working on.
A digital paper trail. Smart. And finally, for others in the AC industry, where do you go to learn or stay inspired?
LinkedIn has been a great resource. I follow a lot of inspiring people and save any posts that catch my eye. Then, once a month or more if I can, I revisit that saved folder and pick out ideas to try or explore further.
That's a great tip, kind of like curating your own professional inspiration board. Jason, this has been such a fun and insightful conversation. Thanks for taking the time to share your story and your perspective.
Thanks for having me. It's been great to reflect and chat.
All right, folks, that's it for today's episode. Big thanks to Jason Kreger for joining us. If you enjoyed this conversation, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you next time on Tech, Fit, and Mind.